Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by defining exactly how you will use the image and why those specs matter. Once you choose commercial versus editorial, make sure to set resolution and aspect ratio requirements so results are usable. Next, decide budget constraints: free only, single purchases, or subscription. These prerequisites narrow search filters immediately and save time. Now open your preferred image platform, enter a concise keyword phrase, and apply filters for license type, orientation, and color to start finding usable candidates. With initial results in front of you, refine using targeted keywords and synonyms to surface relevant alternatives. Make sure to apply filters for license type, orientation, and minimum pixel dimensions. This reduces false positives. Once you see candidates, inspect composition, color balance, and any compression artifacts. Zoom to check edges and text readability. Also confirm model or property release requirements if you need exclusive use. Prioritize extended licenses. Then shortlist 3-5 images and compare them in context to your layout before deciding. After choosing the best image, purchase or download the correct license and save the invoice and license text for record keeping. Once downloaded, convert to the proper color profile, crop to your layout, and export optimized sizes for web and print to avoid scaling issues. If you encounter blurry or wrong resolution files, re-download the specified size or request the platform's support. If license terms are ambiguous, stop and contact the provider or pick a different image to avoid legal risk. Documentation prevents future problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.